Hey, it's Theron from Affordable Comfort, and today we're going to be talking about pod lights. So let's get your house out of the dark ages and get you into something that's a bit more efficient and light up your house. So typically you can expect pod lights to be around $150 or $250 per light. So this $150 to $250 really does include the installation of the fixture and the light itself. However, there is several factors that might change that price per pod light. So let's dive into that right now. So there is three separate types of pod lights. First one being LEDs. These are the lowest cost, most efficient. So while LEDs actually cost a bit more upfront, the longevity of them will actually be a bit more inexpensive in the long run. Next, you have halogen pod lights. They're very, very bright and sharp. However, they do burn out a bit more easy. So replacing them will be a much more common theme. And the next type of pod lights are the gimbal pod lights. These are the fixtures that you can actually move within your ceiling. They are very nice to have, especially if there's specific areas of the room that you want to get lit up. Even though they do offer more flexibility, however, they are a bit more pricey than the average fixed pod light. So the total cost of the pod light installation is actually influenced by four factors. One is how many lights you actually want to be putting into the house. Do you have enough electrical support? The main overlooking factor would be if you have an older electrical panel and you're actually not able to have any more electrical load. I did a video about that recently. You can click around here and take a look at that and see if you need to dive deeper into maybe upgrading your panel as well. The next factor is any complexity of wiring. And the last one I would say is any patchwork repairs need to be done, whether that's drywall and painting. So in conclusion, typical pod lights will be around $150 to $250, but like the factors we just went over, it could increase your cost somewhat. At Affordable Comfort, we've installed many pod lights, ranging from Barrie, Wasaga, and especially the Collingwood pod light enthusiasts themselves. If you'd like, just give us a call. HCA, like myself, will come out and we can get you rolling with some extra lighting in your house. Thanks guys, take care.